Have you ever tried one of these? Everpet original flavor small dog biscuits. I'm about to try one. Okay. That? Okay. Oh, the dog doesn't mind. These are good for your teeth. That was kind of disturbing. Ew. Okay. I wonder if we'll use this later. I think y'all should comment and see if I should use this later. You know? Yeah. This is the big boys. I got the little ones right here. Little. This for little dogs or big? Well, anyways, leave a comment and see if I should wash my hair with this. And I'll tell you what it smells like if y'all say yeah. Well, that's all we got time for.